Introducing ALUCOBOND EasyFix, the innovative, user-friendly cladding solution designed to simplify and speed up architectural panel installation. With EasyFix, ALUCOBOND has streamlined the installation process by eliminating the need for complicated substructures, specialized tools, and additional frame adjustments. This means faster, more precise installations with minimal hassle, perfect for both new constructions and renovations. The ALUCOBOND EasyFix system combines high-quality aluminum composite panels with a specially designed clip system. Each panel is engineered with pre-installed clips, allowing for a seamless fit that snaps securely into place on supporting rails. This approach not only reduces labor costs, but also improves overall installation efficiency, making it ideal for large-scale commercial projects, residential facades, and even interior design applications. Durability is at the core of ALUCOBOND EasyFix. The panels are weather-resistant, corrosion-proof, and UV-stable, providing long-lasting protection and beauty in any environment. They're also available in a wide range of colors and finishes, allowing architects and designers the freedom to create visually striking exteriors with ease. Sustainability is another key feature. ALUCOBOND panels are fully recyclable, helping to minimize environmental impact without sacrificing quality. By using ALUCOBOND EasyFix, builders and developers can achieve their aesthetic and functional goals while contributing to eco-friendly construction practices. In summary, ALUCOBOND EasyFix is an advanced, time-saving solution that combines ease of installation, durability, and aesthetic versatility in a single system. It's perfect for projects where efficiency and design excellence are priorities, making it a top choice for modern construction needs. The herringbone pattern is a classic design, known for its distinctive, V-shaped weaving pattern that resembles the bones of a herring fish, hence its name. This design is created by arranging rectangular pieces of material, like wood, brick, or tile, in an alternating diagonal format. Each piece is placed at a 45-degree angle, causing the rows to intersect and form a visually striking zigzag effect. It's a pattern often seen in flooring, textiles, and brickwork, dating back to ancient Roman roads where interlocking stones added durability. Over time, the herringbone pattern has been celebrated for both its functionality and aesthetic appeal. It's versatile, fitting well into both traditional and modern design settings. The pattern can give spaces a sense of movement and depth, which makes it popular in interior design and architecture. Whether it's used in hardwood flooring, backsplash tiling, or textile prints, the herringbone pattern is admired for its timeless elegance and the way it adds visual texture to any surface. In flooring, the herringbone design can be more labor-intensive to install compared to standard straight-laid patterns, but the result is often considered worth the extra effort. It's frequently mistaken for the chevron pattern, but unlike chevron, where the ends of each piece meet to create a seamless zigzag, herringbone keeps each rectangular piece fully intact, resulting in a more staggered, broken zigzag. In fashion, herringbone is also a popular weave for fabrics like tweed and wool, adding texture and durability. Whether used in clothing, architecture, or interiors, the herringbone pattern remains a classic that stands the test of time. Introducing Max Frank Peapil, an innovative, eco-friendly, and time-saving solution for modern construction. Peapil from Max Frank is a permanent formwork material designed to simplify the foundation work process. Peapil serves as a lightweight, flexible alternative to traditional timber or metal formwork. It's made of recyclable polyethylene sheets that are thermally bonded to a steel mesh, ensuring durability and stability. This unique combination allows Peapil to be both flexible and strong, adapting to various construction needs. One of Peapil's key benefits is its ease of installation. The material is lightweight, making it easy to transport and handle on site. Workers can quickly cut it to size using standard tools, saving both time and labor costs. Since Peapil can be shaped and molded, it's ideal for complex geometries, perfect for footings, ground beams, and pile heads. Its versatility allows builders to complete intricate forms that would otherwise require extensive labor. Another major advantage is Peapil's eco-friendly design. Made from 100% recyclable materials, it can reduce waste on construction sites significantly. Unlike traditional formwork that needs to be removed after concrete setting, Peapil remains in place, eliminating the time-consuming removal process. This reduces disposal costs and minimizes the environmental impact. Peapil also acts as a moisture barrier, offering additional protection against soil and water ingress, which extends the lifespan of the foundations. Builders often use it in various applications, including retaining walls, waterproofing barriers, and even construction joints. In summary, Max Frank Peapil provides an efficient, sustainable, and versatile formwork solution, transforming the way foundations are constructed. It's ideal for projects that prioritize time savings, cost efficiency, and environmental responsibility. Max Frank Peapil making construction simpler, faster, and greener. The Rigid Flex Shaft K9-12 is a compact and powerful drain cleaning tool designed for 1¼ to 2-inch pipes. Known for its efficiency, the K9-12 uses a flexible shaft that spins inside a sheath to deliver chain knockers at high speeds, up to 2,000 RPM. This action removes soft blockages, grease, and other buildup with minimal mess, thanks to the tool's controlled water system, which helps flush debris out of the line as you clean. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, the K9-12 is lightweight and highly portable, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. It also works with standard rigid camera systems, allowing real-time inspection and assessment during the cleaning process. Additionally, the K9-12 is compatible with different chain attachments, which can be quickly swapped out to match the pipe diameter or material, even those with delicate inner walls. Overall, the Rigid Flex Shaft K9-12 is a versatile, professional-grade solution for residential drain maintenance, designed to deliver fast and effective cleaning with reduced cleanup and downtime. Optimus Shalong System, also known as the Optimus Formwork System, is a highly efficient and versatile solution designed to streamline construction processes, particularly in concrete casting. It's built to provide formwork that is not only strong but also flexible and adaptable, meeting the varying needs of modern construction projects. The Optimus Shalong system features a modular design, making it easily configurable for a wide range of building shapes and sizes. This system uses high-quality, durable materials, ensuring that it can withstand the demands of large-scale projects while remaining reliable and easy to handle. One of the standout features is its quick assembly and disassembly, which significantly reduces setup time on site. With fewer manual adjustments required, contractors can save both time and labor costs. Additionally, the system's lightweight components enhance maneuverability, allowing workers to manage the equipment efficiently and safely. Safety is another key benefit. The Optimus Shalong system includes secure locking mechanisms and safety features that provide stability during use. This minimizes potential risks on site and ensures that workers can operate confidently. Moreover, the system is engineered for multiple reuse cycles, making it a sustainable choice for construction companies looking to reduce waste. With Optimus Shalong system, projects can achieve higher quality finishes, efficiency, and a sustainable workflow, helping companies to meet deadlines while upholding high standards of construction. The Viper Vacuum Scraper is an innovative cleaning tool designed to tackle the toughest jobs with ease. Combining the power of a vacuum and a scraper, it's ideal for efficiently removing adhesives, residues, paints, and other sticky substances from surfaces. Unlike traditional scrapers that can scatter debris or produce dust, the Viper Vacuum Scraper sucks up particles as they're removed, keeping the area cleaner and minimizing airborne contaminants. Built with a high-powered motor, this tool delivers a strong suction force that ensures no fragments are left behind. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended use. The scraper attachment is interchangeable and comes in various sizes and materials, making it versatile enough for diverse applications, from delicate surfaces to rugged industrial use. Additionally, a robust filtration system traps fine particles, ensuring a cleaner, healthier workspace. For maintenance, the Viper Vacuum Scraper is straightforward. Its detachable dust compartment allows for quick disposal, while its washable filters make upkeep easy and cost-effective. The tool is portable, often featuring a cordless option powered by a rechargeable battery, making it convenient for professionals on the go. In short, the Viper vacuum scraper is a must-have for anyone needing precision, cleanliness, and power in surface cleaning. Its advanced design and functionality make it a standout choice in professional cleaning tools. The Dragon Screed DS24 is an innovative and highly efficient machine designed for leveling concrete in large construction projects. This powerful, ride-on screeding machine is engineered for both speed and precision, making it a favorite among contractors for large floor pours. With a 24-foot adjustable screed bar, it covers more ground in less time compared to traditional methods. What sets the DS24 apart is its unique design, featuring a dual motor system that allows for smooth operation over rough or uneven surfaces. The operator controls the screed from a comfortable seated position with easy-to-use controls for adjusting the screed height and leveling settings. This not only ensures a more even surface, but also reduces operator fatigue. The Dragon Screed DS24 is built with durability in mind, featuring a heavy-duty frame and robust components that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use on construction sites. Whether you're working with large slabs or complex floor layouts, the DS24 provides consistent results every time. Thanks to its versatility, it's perfect for a range of applications, from industrial flooring to large commercial projects. With the Dragon Screed DS24, contractors can increase productivity, achieve superior finishes, and reduce labor costs, making it an essential tool for any construction team. Its ability to screed quickly and accurately ensures that your concrete floors are perfectly level, improving both the structural integrity and the aesthetic quality of the final product. With the DS24, you get top-tier performance, unmatched efficiency, and a smooth concrete surface, all in one advanced machine.